Hi, this is Jasmine Valencia and Anadela Baron's project. Today we will show you how to write the equation from the graph and how to graph piecewise function from the equation. Now I'm going to use this part of the piecewise function. First we have to find the slope, then we're going to use the equation y equals mx minus x1 plus y1. So we will use rise over run. In this case we'll go 3 places down, then 5 to the right, which will be negative 3 over 5. Then we will pick 2 points, which will be negative 4 and 6, and we'll plug it in for x and y. The equation will be negative 3/5 x plus 4 plus 6. Now we will use the second function. We will go 8 places up and then 4 to the right. And because you can simplify it, it will equal to 2. So we plug in 2 for m. Then we pick 2 points, which will be 4 and 8. And that's the final equation.
So now I'm going to show you how to draw the graph from the equation. First, I'm going to show you how to find the first part of the piecewise function. And this is the first part. And y equals x plus 4, and you see that the scale is negative 5 to negative 3, but the negative 3 is not included. So if I wanted to graph it, I'm going to do y equals x plus 4, and I'm going to do a table. And when I do the table, I'm going to use x and y in the function. So if I see that negative 5 and negative 3 can be used in the function, to negative 3, I can plug in negative 5 into my x value, and I will get a 1, negative 1, and then I'm going to add 4. So then it's going to be y equals 3. I'm going to do basic algebra. So now you see that when the x equals negative 5, y is going to be 3. And then I use another point to another x value to find another point. So then I'm going to use negative 4 since negative 3 is not included. Negative 4, y equals negative 4 plus 4 plus 4. So then negative 4 plus 4 equals 0, plus 4 equals y equals 4. So then when my x value is negative 4, my y value is going to be 4. So I go to my graph and I plug in negative 5, 3, because that's one of my points, and then negative 4, 4. And as you see, the slope is 1 over 1, so then I go 1 over 1. But the negative 3 is not included, so it's going to be an open circle. Sorry. And then it's going to be a line. And then I'm going to try to find y equals 1/3 x plus 3 plus 2. And then the scale is negative 3 to 0, and they're both included. So then I go here, and then I want, since negative 3 to 0 is included, I'm going to use negative 2. So then y equals 1/3 negative 2 plus 3 plus 2. And then negative 2 plus 3 is 1 times 1/3 equals 1/3 plus 2. And if I plug that in my calculator, 1/3 plus 2 is going to be 2.33. So it's 2.33. And then I can use negative 3 also. And then y equals 1/3 negative 3 plus 3 plus 2. Sorry. So then negative 3 plus 3 is 0, plus 2 times 1/3. And you know that 1/3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 equals y equals 2. So then negative 1, when the x value is negative 1/3, the y value is going to be 2. And you can plug those points, or you can use 0, 2. So then I'm going to use another value because the negative 2 is not a whole number. So I'm going to use 0. Y equals 1/3 0 plus 3 plus 2. And then 0 plus 3 is 3 times 1/3 is 1 plus 2 equals 3. So y equals 3. So 0 equals 3. So then I go to my graph and I plug in these points. Negative 3 times negative 3, 2, and it's included. So it's going to be here. And then I go to y to 0, 3. And it's included also. So then I go and I make my mark. And that's my other part of the function. Now, if I do the final one, it's going to be the same process. Y equals x plus 4 plus 4. And then I do a table again. And then over here it says that 0 to 3 is the scale, but the 0 is not included. So I'm going to start with the 1. So y equals x plus 4 plus 4. So y equals 1 plus 4 plus 4. And 1 plus 1 equals 5 plus 4 equals 9. So when the x value is 1, the y value is going to be 9. And then I do the same process again. Y equals x plus 4 plus 4. And I'm going to use 3 as my x value. So y equals 3 plus 4 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 4 is 11 equals y. So then I go to my graph and then I plug in 1, 9 and then 3, 11. And the 3 is included. And I want to find 0. So I'm going to do y equals x plus 4 plus 4. And then 0 plus 4 is 4 plus 4 equals 8. So y equals 8 when the x value is 0. So 0, 8. But it's not included. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not included, so it's an open circle. And that's how you graph piecewise functions from the equations.